In the western Indian state of Rajasthan, a humble bean begins its journey to become one of nutritional science's most promising food supplements.
Now, we've all heard of insoluble fiber, better known as roughage, found in your fruits and vegetables and the lettuce that you're told to eat more of. But I want you to learn more about soluble fiber. Soluble fiber is only found in certain fruits and vegetables, and we need a lot more of it. One, it'll help keep you regular. Two, it feeds the good bacteria in your gut, otherwise known as a prebiotic.
At our clinic, we see a lot of patients suffering from digestive conditions like bloating, cramping, and bowel irregularity. Irritable bowel syndrome and more serious problems like inflammatory bowel disease and colon cancer are much more common these days as well. Modern nutritional science has shown that our diets play a significant role in all these conditions. And when it comes to the health of our gut, one of the most important factors is soluble fiber. Our lower digestive tract contains billions of those good bacteria, or probiotics, that are needed for the proper digestion and maintenance of gut health. But most people rarely get more than half of the daily fiber needed for health regularity. That's the challenge that Japan's Taiyo and India's Lucid companies faced together, and after years of research, they met that challenge with a very special bean by developing a new generation of soluble fiber, Sunfiber.
Well, Hemraj and other members of the Taiyo's Farmers Cooperative have gone out into their fields of cluster beans. It's September, and beans, called guar in Hindi, were planted during the monsoon rains in July, and they'll be ready for harvest come early October. Tell me what role guar plays in this region.
जमीन भी उपजाऊ रहती है और इसको अब बेच के हम इनकम पैसे वगैरह हमारे को मिलता है कम पानी के अंदर ये खेती होने वाली है.
Well, the origins of the guar plant are lost to history, but for many centuries, the guar bean plant has been a staple food for these people. Its leaves cooked like spinach, its beans toasted and eaten.
Now, in the fields of Rajasthan, farmers harvest their guar beans and ready them for the trip to Aurangabad.
Well, it's here in Aurangabad that Taiyo and Lucid have constructed a state-of-the-art revolutionary plant that takes the guar bean and translates it into a soluble fiber that we call Sunfiber. And this is where hundreds of years of farming, cooking, and traditional medicine meets modern nutritional science.
The meticulous production standards of the Taiyo Lucid plant mean that the benefits of this ancient Indian food and medicine can now be available to the world as Sunfiber. This super fiber goes beyond the loosen me up and bulk me up roles of fiber by regulating our digestion, balancing our appetite, and calming our often nerve-wracked gut. And whereas most fibers inhibit the uptake of iron, calcium, zinc, and even protein, studies are now associating Sunfiber with greater absorption of these nutrients. And Sunfiber has the added benefit of being sugar-free. Sunfiber is invisible fiber with visible health effects. That's why we're starting to find it in so many health shops. Look for it by name on the ingredient lists, because your digestive health has never had it so good.